Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of this LTERiver PCI-E 3.0 USB card that I purchased for my workstation. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, so here we have the LTERiver. This is the front of the box. This is the bottom of the box. Basically, that's it, and this is the back of it. Now, like I said, this is a PCIe 4-port USB card. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and open this puppy up and see what we got. All right, here we go. So what's included? Of course, we have the PCIe 4-port USB 3.0 card. So we can see, basically, there we go. Here's the 4 ports. And one thing just to note on this card is it doesn't have any external power. So it actually gets all the power via the PCIe slot on the motherboard. So just FYI, yeah, so you don't need any external SATA or Molex connectors to go in there. So there we go. That is it. Let's see what else we got in the box. So, of course, we have a screw right here. We got, looks to be drivers here. So, got some drivers. And we have the PCIe USB 3.0 expansion card. It looks to be like this, just the manual and I guess specs. So, you can see right there. So, nonetheless, that is basically all we get. Alrighty, well, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, we will catch you on the next one.